start making donuts, mini polar bear donuts. This is something that you guys can do with your kids since it's President's Day and baby is out of school. I figured that we could do something, right? Cool. Yeah. High five. Right. What's wrong with you? Anywho, let's go ahead and hop on into. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start unboxing. Of course, Kay wants to be Kay and unbox everything on his own, so that's perfectly fine. I found this little donut, mini donut maker in Walmart. I'm actually somewhat a little disappointed because the box made it seem like it was a little bigger, but I should have known better. But anyways, we're just gonna make it do what it do. When they say mini, they really mean mini. All right, mommies, we're gonna go ahead and start adding our ingredients. We're gonna mix our dry ingredients first. We're gonna put our baking soda, 1 cup of our brown sugar. I use a Good and Gather organic mix because the donuts are sugary. I kind of want to make it somewhat healthy for him. And then we're gonna put our salt in as well. You want to let your babies do it just to see, basically make them feel as if they have some type of say so. And then add our nutmeg and mix that together. Then we're going to use our lactate milk, 1 cup. You don't have to necessarily use organic ingredients. Apple cider vinegar, and then our vanilla extract to give it that good, sweet little twang. And then we put some food color in there just to make it fun. You want to go ahead and slowly dump your batter in the pan. Let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and boom, you got your donuts. Now see right here, I started to make a mess, but I mean, they look like little pancakes to me, but whatever, I guess it's supposed to be donuts, but they were so cute. So next you want to go ahead and take them out of the pan with a fork. I went ahead and used the Good and Gather organic powdered sugar. You want to go ahead and put those in there. I told him not to touch those because I had just got those out and they were hot. And I didn't want the sugar to become glazed or really, really hard. So you want to flip them in there, mix them up, and then lay them on the plate. Okay, so next you want to go ahead and evenly spread out your donuts. We're going to start coating them and adding our googly eyes. I did not have any icing. I didn't think about it, so we had to improvise. So we used toaster strudel packets. I went ahead and let him dab the icing on there as I put the googly eyes. They actually came out really, really cute. They look a little funny, but they came out really cute, you see? Enjoy, guys.
I'm gonna eat them.
Go ahead. Is it good?